The number one mistake that will haunt your first web project, and how to slay the ghost. You've done it. You've poured your soul into your first major front-end project. The code is clean, the animations are buttery smooth in Chrome, and you're just one Git push away from internet glory. You hit deploy, share the link with pride, and then the text comes in. Hey, the button is behind the image on my phone. The whole page is just a white screen on Safari. My boss on Internet Explorer says the site is broken. Your heart sinks. The polished, perfect project you just launched is, for a huge chunk of your audience, a digital ghost town. Broken layouts, unclickable buttons, and features that simply vanish. This isn't just a minor bug, it's a rite of passage for new developers. And if you're not careful, it can shatter user trust and your own confidence faster than you can say cross-browser compatibility. The illusion of it works on my machine. It's so easy to fall into this trap. You test on your browser, usually Chrome, your device, and your screen size. Everything looks perfect. You are eager to launch, so you assume that perfect is universal. But the web is a wild, fragmented ecosystem. Each browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and the legacy ghosts of Internet Explorer, is like a different interpreter reading your code. Sometimes they disagree on the script. The consequence? You launch, and the excitement quickly turns into a frantic, stressful scramble of bug fixes. You're not building new features, you're playing whack-a-mole with CSS and JavaScript works you never knew existed. Don't test for browsers. Test for people. The goal isn't to make your site look identical on a 10-year-old version of Internet Explorer. That's a recipe for burnout. The goal is to ensure a solid, functional, and accessible experience for every single person who visits your site, regardless of their chosen tool. That person could be a CEO reviewing your freelance work on a company-mandated old browser, a potential user on a mobile Safari browser who will bounce in 3 seconds if a button doesn't work, a tech-savvy friend on Firefox who notices your cool CSS grid layout completely collapses. Think progressive enhancement. First, build a rock-solid core with basic HTML/CSS. Then, layer on fancy JavaScript and animations for modern browsers. Everyone gets the cake, some get the icing. Automate with linters and autoprefixers. Tools like Autoprefixer automatically add vendor prefixes to your CSS, solving a huge chunk of issues before you even test. Build trust, not bugs. This discipline separates amateurs from pros. Addressing browser issues early saves you from all-nighters and ensures your work shines for everyone. Want to build a bulletproof development skill set? This is just the start. Follow for more ! Like, share. I break down complex web dev concepts into actionable tips weekly. Let's build a community that ships quality code with confidence.